Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, let me introduce LTV protocol to you, the Curatorless leverage tokenized vaults. What is LTV protocol? It's a DeFi protocol which using LTV protocol you can tokenize the collective position on the lending protocol, collective leverage position on the lending protocol, and how it will work. Imagine this scenario where anyone can deploy of any pairs of token on top of any leverage source. Anyone can deploy the tokenized leverage position. Sounds like a magic, right? Because right now you need to have a curator to make this work, and usually the curators, they have a limited capacity. You cannot just, like, I don't know, arbitrarily go to the curator and ask, please make this vault. You need to have a communication, and you cannot do it like in one button like it's done in Uniswap. And we propose this solution, but how we can propose this solution? It's like, it's a magic, it's technologia, technologia. So we write our paper, which is called Curatorless Leverage Tokenized Walls, and it's 58 pages of math. Right now it's unfoxed, but anyway, you can just go to our website, ltv.finance, and you can find it. And I briefly explain some ideas from this paper. So, yeah, look at this ultimate equation. In Uniswap, they have constant product formula. In our case, we start thinking about leverage as our target LTV formula. So idea is defined. So when you put some borrow token to the vault or collateral token to the vault, we need to make some decisions on the smart contract level to rebalance vaults themselves, to put some incentives to rebalance vaults. We use auctions for this, and as a result, we got double interconnected E4-6 vaults, with one with the collateral token, another one with the borrow token. It's just two interfaces in one vault. So you can have all of this E4-6 function. Actually, they execute one and actually preview and max. But for collateral, you have preview deposit collateral and deposit collateral, mint collateral, withdraw collateral. It's twice E4-6 compatible. It's actually the standard that's more for use. A lot of other DeFi protocol use, and achieving it, we use auction. So the idea is when you deposit the borrow token or collateral token, we open auction to increase LTV or decrease LTV. We have a range between min profit LTV and max safe LTV. And the idea is that whatever you do with the vault, it always go to the target through these incentives. So here the example of how our price changed in the case of scenario where we have some open auction to positive one or negative one, or for selling collateral to the borrow token or borrow token to the collateral token. Yeah. So here you can see that if you are doing something that put to the vault in a better condition, you will be incentivized. Your price of token will be a little bit higher. If you are put vault into the position where you are moved out of the target, you will be a little bit de-incentivized, and you will pay some fee for the open new auction. This is a general idea. Yeah, and actually this slide, it explains how you can interact with our protocol. There is a native communication like E4-6 functions. It's where you can call deposit, withdrawal. It's simple, but it's cost and efficient. but it's capital efficient. What does it mean? That means that you have some money that you want to deposit, and you will deposit exactly this amount of money, but you will pay some additional fee in the case of that vault and right now a non-friendly position for you. We have a low-level rebalancing tool. The idea is that you are communicating with our vault with the three tokens: the vault token, the borrow token, and collateral token. It's complex because you need to understand the all possible way how vault can behave. You need to have some mental model of how our protocol works. It's not just simple like deposit and withdrawal. It's complex, it's cost efficient, and it's capital inefficient. Another way how you can communicate with our vault, you can use Flashloan and native interaction. So the idea, when I say native interaction, what does it mean? Imagine that you have vault that it's like Lido over Ethereum, and the Lido there is a function that you can call and exchange the Ethereum into the rapid stake ETH into the Lido, and there is no it will be run like in an atomic way. So the idea is that you can put it inside Flashloan, and you can convert as many ETH as you need for the vault, for the low-level rebalance, and you can put it back. So yeah, this is, by the way, one of the ways that that Buko mentioned in his speech. So yeah, and there is another way how you can interact, but it's a good way for interacting. It's simple, cost efficient, capital efficient, but your token should support this way. For example, in Lido, there is a native deposit, but there is no atomic native withdrawal. You need to wait some time. That means that you cannot put it inside Flashloan. Another way of interacting is Flashloan plus DEX swap. It's simple. It's cost inefficient because you need to pay some extra money for the slippage, blah blah blah. The price cannot be so good to you, but it's capital efficient. So this is the way how you can interact with our vaults for making deposit and withdrawal, etc., etc., etc. And right now I will just flex our crazy shaitan machine. This is all of our. Oh, okay, I cannot. Oh yeah, this one. This is all. This is all contracts that we deploy to the mainnet, but it's not like full list. We have another 7 lips and 4 additional helpers. I do not expect that you will just go to all of this address and check what's going on inside every contract, but this is actually answer to the question why nobody invented before, because this level of complexity, And yeah, we deployed to the mainnet. Before it, of course, it was audited. The Auxorio team is brilliant guys. They provide audit to us. And yeah, right now we are on mainnet. We 7 days on mainnet. We have 1 million of deposited TVL. We have more than 10 million of leverage TVL. And we have this yeah, every day in the mainnet right now it's profitable. There is no non-profitable days on this strategy. This is Lido over Ethereum on other V3. And you can look at this good APY. It's just 8% over Ethereum. I think it's good. It's good. Yeah. And this is a little bit of our internal stuff. This is our internal Grafana. And you can see the token price always grows. And this lines is just changing Lido Oracle every day on the Aave. So you can see that every new day starts from better position, and after that you change the Oracle, and after that the token price decrease, and after that is going up. This one the same picture, but by the way you can use it if you are a musician, you can use these things as synthesizer, because this is a way very good way. It will sound great, believe me. And yeah, launch stages. Right now we have 7 days on the mainnet. Right now the phase number 1 is already done. We did it with the private, our test initial liquidity. Right now we have private LPs. After that, we give access to our protocol, to our community, 42 NFT holders. And after that, it will be totally public, permissionless, non-whitelist public launch. We just go smoothly to test everything, to understand what's going on, to fix something if something do not going well. But for now, from the contract side, it's unexpectedly perfect, Yeah, this is our 42 NFT that a lot of people can mint because we whitelist for this NFT a lot of addresses right now. So if you are an active DeFi user, you can be eligible to mint this NFT and be our beta tester and get some additional point boost, 42% additional point boost, because of course we will have a points, and you will have a boost. And we did the market opportunity research to understand what the possible vaults we can deploy next in the mainnet and eventually achieve the totally permissionless protocol where anyone can deploy a vault. So we did market research. Right now we know like all of these platforms that this is our priorities. It means that like in Ethereum we will have a big amount of vaults and Base a little bit less. And this is the liquidity that we can get on every vault. And here's the total liquidity, more than 10 billion of TVL and more than 100 vaults that you can deploy right now. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you very much.